Hey everybody, Brandon here, and in this video we're going to show you how to swap the drive in a Lenovo L13 Yoga Gen5. This may work for other models of the Lenovo Yoga family, but just please note that certain connectors like the battery connector or certain screw locations may be different for your model. For this job, you pretty much just need a screwdriver, a pry tool, or a plastic pry tool, and then another basically thin pry tool to separate the plastic. So first we're going to take this, go to the bottom, take all the screws off. Alright, now here we're going to take our pry tool, hit it from up here. Want to get it along this edge here. Sometimes you may need to get in the middle. Sometimes if you can't get it, I go to this corner right here. If it's a newer case that hasn't been opened, it might be a little more difficult. Get it in there, and you can slowly work it underneath. That one, and now it just comes off easy after you slide it. Okay. Now we're going to take the battery out. Please note this connector is a little different. It does not just come straight up. You have to actually pry it up. Take it and pry it upward. And then you want to slide it this way. So we're going to go this way. And that way it's out. So for this, it slides in and then that down. So now we're going to go here with these screws. Take that off. It's got your thermal compound right there. Now, with that off, take this little pry tool under there. Boom. One drive out, one drive in. Boom. All right. And with that on, we're going to go back to the heat sink. Place that over. Remember, we had the silver screw to the right. And then the black screw to the left. Boom. Now that's buttoned up. Always take this opportunity and check your other screws, your hinge screws particularly. Make sure those are tight. Now we're going to come back to this connector, come this way and down, and then snap. Now for the case, you're going to want to take the bottom side, take the stylus out first, it'll kind of get in your way. Take this down flat until it goes in the grooves, because it is hinged. Then you're going to close it towards that. So if you see a little crack, that's not done. So you need to lift it so the hinge closes. So you should not see any cracks. So that is good. So that means the hinge is closed. So then you come here, click that, and button it back up. And voila, you are good to go.